Hey everyone, Erica here from Rick's Review Hub. Are you done with pushing a heavy mower under the hot sun? The Gardena Sileno Life 15100141 is a robotic lawn mower that makes lawn care effortless for yards up to 8,100 square feet. It's smart, quiet, and a total game changer for 2025. Want one? Click the referral link in the description to grab it on Amazon at the best price. Let's dive into why this mower is awesome. First, let's break down the features. The Gardena Sileno Life is designed for medium-sized lawns, covering up to 8,100 square feet. It uses a boundary wire to navigate, ensuring streak-free cuts with its SensorCut system. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, it mows for 65 minutes after a 60-minute charge. You can adjust cutting heights from 0.8 to 2 inches using a simple dial. It handles slopes up to 35%, perfect for uneven yards. The Gardena Bluetooth app lets you control and schedule mowing from your phone with a 10-meter range. Collision, lift, and tilt sensors keep it safe, stopping the blades instantly if it's lifted or hits an obstacle. It's super quiet at 57 decibels, one of the quietest in its class. The mower weighs 16 pounds, includes a charging station, 250 meters of boundary wire, 300 stakes, connectors, and a 2-year warranty. It's waterproof so it mows in rain and you can clean it with a hose. The easy passage function helps it navigate narrow spaces without leaving streaks. Now, the pros. This mower is fantastic. The SensorCut system delivers a perfect carpet-like lawn without stripes. At 57 decibels, it's so quiet you can run it at night without waking anyone. The Bluetooth app is user-friendly, making scheduling a breeze. It's eco-friendly with no gas emissions, and the waterproof design means it works rain or shine. Priced around $1,200, it's a solid value for its features. The 2-year warranty is generous, and the lightweight design makes setup easier than heavier models. It handles slopes like a champ, and the safety sensors are top-notch. For cons, the boundary wire setup can take a day, especially for complex lawns. It's not ideal for yards over 8,100 square feet. The Bluetooth range is only 10 meters, so you need to be close to control it. Some users report occasional app glitches, though updates usually fix them. It struggles with very thick grass, so regular mowing is key. If your lawn has lots of obstacles like rock gardens, setup might be trickier. Should you buy the Gardena Sileno Life? If you have a medium-sized yard and want a quiet, low-maintenance mower, absolutely. It's perfect for busy folks who want a pristine lawn without the work. The tech, quiet operation, and price make it a 2025 standout. Check out my full review on Rick's Review Hub for more details. Hit subscribe for more reviews and click the referral link in the description to get the Gardena Sileno Life at the best price from Rick's Review Hub. Special promotional pricing awaits. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, or subscribe if this helps. See you next time.